Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is my real trading account. Not a demo account today. I'll show you how I use the ADX Average Directional Index indicator to find high probability trading opportunities. First, I'll open the indicator section and select the ADX indicator. Now let's choose our first trading pair, AUD-CHF. Everything looks good, so I'll place my first buy trade with a 15-minute expiry. While this trade is running, let me briefly explain the ADX indicator. The ADX indicator measures the strength of a market trend, not its direction. An ADX value below 20 usually indicates a weak or sideways market. When the ADX rises above 25, it suggests that the trend is becoming stronger. The higher the ADX value, the stronger the trend. For the best results, always combine the ADX with price action, support and resistance, or trend confirmation. Never rely on one indicator alone. Now, instead of waiting, let's take another opportunity. We'll select our second pair, EUR-CAD, and place another sell trade with a 5-minute expiry. As you can see, our first EUR-CAD trade has closed in profit. The setup looks strong, so now let's move on to our third trade. We'll select AUD-USD and place a buy trade with a 15-minute expiry. Our second AUD-CHF trade has also closed as a win. And finally, our third AUD USD trade has also finished in profit. This is why I always focus on quality setups instead of random entries. Consistency comes from patience, discipline, and proper market analysis. One more important thing, don't expect to master the market overnight. Becoming consistently profitable takes time, practice, and experience. If you keep learning and follow proper risk management, your results will improve over time. If you also want to learn this strategy, understand the ADX indicator properly, and improve your trading skills, then join our free trading training. The link is available in the description.